IEA Wind Task 37 is in the third year of its phase 2. So the task has been operational now for about 5.5 years. So we're just closing the second phase. And we've had a couple big milestones in the past year, culminating, these 5+ years of work that the task has been executing. The first big one is we released a technical report that's about this ontology. It's called WindIO, and it's a data standard and format, a schema, for how you share information about wind turbine and wind farm design between stakeholders in a way that is standardized so that it makes it easier to have many partners involved and have a common representation of the system. And this is really important when you have large-scale projects, whether it's on the industry side or the research side, where you need to share information between partners in terms of doing the design of the turbine and the support structure, where you need to have the detailed information about the blade design and the tower and transfer that between models in a way that makes sense. So that's a major achievement for the task. This ontology, WindIO, it's publicly available. It's already been used by several of our task organizations, including DTU and NREL, and also companies as well that we collaborate with. So it's a major achievement. We have a technical report, all of the software code released, and we're continuing to work with industry partners and research partners on updating that. The second big milestone for the task for this year is around a series of workshops that we held. So this was a new initiative in our phase 2 of the task in these last 3 years, to hold a series of expert workshops on dedicated topics where both the research and industry communities are very active in addressing state-of-the-art problems. So we had one on low wind, low specific power machine design, looking at how you design machines that are, say, 200 watts per square meter in terms of specific power or less, and how that differs from conventional turbine designs. We had another workshop looking at loads and reliability in wind farm contexts, and how do you actually assess that? How do you use that in a control or a design context? And so we've had a series of these, and we're having proceedings come out about these workshops that help essentially bring together the experts both in the research and industry communities so they can really dig in on these problems and start to identify where the opportunities are for research and collaboration and the like. So these are two of just of the 4 work areas that we have for the task, but definitely ones where we've had significant progress this year and positive outcomes.